Along the shimmering coastline of the Gulf of Guinea, where the waves of the Atlantic roll steadily toward the shore, lies Ghana's vibrant capital, Accra. The city has grown from a colonial trading port to a bustling African metropolis, a place where history and modernity constantly intertwine. Among its many neighborhoods, one stands out for its strategic location, rapid development, and captivating skyline. Shiashie. Shiashie is more than just a point on the map. It is a gateway between some of Accra's most prestigious districts, sitting between East Legon, Airport Residential, and Cantonments, with the bustling Accra Mall practically in its backyard. It is a location that embodies accessibility, convenience, and growth. Three qualities that have made it a magnet for investors, entrepreneurs, and residents seeking the perfect urban base. The story of Shiashie begins with the Ga people, the indigenous inhabitants of the Greater Accra region. For decades, this land was farmland, dotted with scattered family compounds connected by dirt roads and footpaths. The name itself is said to have roots in expressions used to describe settlement points along trade routes, a fitting reminder of how central location has always been part of its identity. In the latter half of the 20th century, Accra began to expand rapidly, drawing people from across Ghana and beyond. Shiashie's proximity to what would become Kotoka International Airport and major city highways made it a natural candidate for transformation. By the 1990s, change was inevitable. The airport bypass, Liberation Road, and George Bush Highway created direct links from Shiashie to key parts of the city. What had been an agricultural community began to sprout apartment buildings, office complexes, and small commercial hubs. As Accra's skyline evolved, Shiashie moved from the periphery to the centre of economic life. Today, the skyline tells the story of this transformation. Modern residential towers rise alongside hotels, banks, and shopping centres. The streets bustle with taxis, ride-hailing cars, and delivery bikes. Just minutes away lies Kotoka International Airport, offering a seamless gateway to the world. In another direction, the Accra Mall beckons with over 65 retail stores, restaurants, and entertainment spaces, drawing locals and tourists alike. To the east is East Legon, one of Accra's most sought-after neighbourhoods, where trendy cafes, boutique stores, art galleries, and gyms create an atmosphere of cosmopolitan energy. By day, professionals and students fill the streets. By night, the area pulses with music from rooftop bars and lounges. East Legon has become a hotspot for Airbnb rentals, especially for short-term visitors who want a lively base close to both the airport and city attractions. Heading west from Shiashie brings you into the airport residential area, known for its quiet, tree-lined streets, sprawling villas, luxury apartments, and diplomatic residences. Multinational corporations and NGOs have set up headquarters here, making it a centre of corporate life. The neighbourhood's prestige ensures that property values remain high, with opportunities for corporate rentals and luxury hospitality ventures. Further south lies Cantonments, a district with deep historical roots. Developed during colonial times as a military and administrative area, it retains an aura of order and security. Today, embassies, international schools, and cultural institutions make it a preferred choice for diplomats, expatriates, and families seeking a peaceful yet connected environment. Wide streets lined with both heritage homes and sleek modern residences reflect its blend of old and new. Shiashie's location offers another advantage: proximity to Accra's beaches. In under 20 minutes, residents can find themselves at Labadi Beach, where the ocean breeze mixes with the beat of traditional drums and the scent of freshly grilled seafood. La Pleasure Beach offers a more vibrant weekend atmosphere with water sports, horseback riding, and lively bars. These coastal escapes create opportunities for tourism-oriented businesses, from shuttle services to beach event planning. For those who prefer green over blue, Accra offers a range of parks and gardens within easy reach of Shiashie. The Legon Botanical Gardens provide a tranquil escape with their lush greenery, canopy walk, and kayaking opportunities. Afua Sutherland Children's Park offers cultural events and family-friendly activities in the heart of the city. These spaces are more than leisure spots. They are platforms for ecotourism ventures, outdoor cafes, and fitness programs that cater to both locals and visitors. One of the most attractive aspects of Shiashie is its real estate potential. The demand for short-term rentals, driven by a steady flow of tourists, business travellers, and expatriates, has surged in recent years. Fully furnished apartments here can command strong returns, particularly through platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com. Investors are increasingly drawn to the area for high-rise developments, boutique-serviced residences, and co-living spaces tailored to digital nomads. Shiashie's accessibility makes it a natural hub for transportation and logistics businesses. From airport pickup services to urban shuttle routes, courier deliveries to last-mile logistics, the neighbourhood's position shortens travel times and reduces operational costs. With Accra's growing traffic challenges, there is also space for tech-driven solutions, from package tracking apps to bike courier fleets that navigate the city's congestion more efficiently. The food and hospitality scene in and around Shiashie is just as vibrant. The neighbourhood is surrounded by a mix of upscale restaurants, trendy cafes, and bustling street food stalls. Visitors can enjoy everything from fine dining fusion cuisine to Ghanaian favourites like kelewele, chichinga, and fresh tilapia. For entrepreneurs, this creates enormous opportunities. Niche restaurants catering to international tastes, cloud kitchens for delivery services, and hospitality packages that combine lodging with curated dining experiences. The pace of development in Shiashie is opening new frontiers in technology, construction, and engineering. Co-working spaces, tech hubs, and startup incubators are emerging to serve a generation of young entrepreneurs. Construction cranes dot the skyline as residential and commercial projects take shape. This growth fuels demand for engineering consultancies, architectural firms, and suppliers of building materials and interior design services. Trade and small-scale industry are also thriving. Markets and workshops supply everything from electronics to handmade furniture. Tailors, carpenters, and craft vendors benefit from a customer base that spans locals, expatriates, and business travellers. Entrepreneurs who combine traditional skills with modern branding and e-commerce platforms can tap into both local and international markets. The future of Shiashie looks promising. Urban development plans include improved public transportation, sustainable housing projects, and high-tech office complexes. The challenge will be to maintain the balance between growth and the unique cultural character that gives Shiashie its identity. For residents, it is a place of community and convenience. For investors, it is a hub of untapped potential. As the sun sets over Accra, the lights of Shiashie flicker on, illuminating a skyline that speaks of ambition and possibility. From humble beginnings as farmland to its current status as one of the city's most strategic neighbourhoods, Shiashie stands as a testament to the power of location and vision. Surrounded by iconic districts, connected to the heart of Ghana's capital, and brimming with opportunities across multiple industries, it is a place where stories are built and futures are shaped. For the visitor, Shiashie offers a glimpse into the rhythm of modern Accra, a city in motion where every street corner tells a story and every skyline view hints at the future. For the entrepreneur, it is fertile ground for ideas, innovation, and investment. And for the resident, it is home, vibrant, connected, and ever evolving. Shiashie's skyline is more than architecture. It is a living reflection of Accra's journey into the 21st century. It is a place where history and progress meet, where community thrives alongside commerce, and where the possibilities are as limitless as the horizon over the Gulf of Guinea. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this informative and educative video, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more documentaries about Ghana's infrastructure, innovation, and success stories. Until next time, stay inspired and keep following us on Lens Legends.